How to use AI for email marketing automation. Tools like ActiveCampaign, Mailchimp, Klaviyo, and Bravo help automate and personalize email campaigns using AI. AI analyzes user behavior, clicks, purchases, etc., to automatically group contacts for more targeted messages. Use AI writing tools like Jasper, Copy.ai, or SmartWriter.ai to generate email body text, subject lines, and product CTAs. Build smart email flows like welcome sequences, cart reminders, and special offers using drag and drop AI automation. AI picks the best time for each subscriber to receive emails, boosting open rates. Tools like 7th Sense help with this. Use AI analytics to track performance, score leads, predict churn, and improve your campaign ROI over time. Thanks for watching.